Most people spend their free time consuming content. But what if you use that time to upgrade your brain instead? Here are 7 unusual hobbies that can sharpen your mind, and most people overlook them. 1. Mental math. Stop reaching for your calculator for everything. Mental math forces your brain to recognize patterns, calculate faster, and stay focused. 2. Cooking. Cooking is more than preparing food. You're constantly planning, timing, adapting, and solving problems. One small mistake, and you have to think your way out of it. 3. Sign language learning. Sign language trains you to communicate through movement, memory, and observation. It also forces you to pay attention to details you might normally ignore. 4. Gardening plants don't grow faster because you want them to. Gardening teaches patience, consistency, and long-term thinking. 3 skills most people struggle to develop. 5. Calligraphy. Every stroke requires control and concentration. Practice it long enough, and you start becoming more comfortable with slowing down and paying attention to tiny details. 6. Debating. Don't debate just to win. Learn to listen, understand opposing ideas, and defend your position with logic. It can make your thinking clearer and more precise. 7. Book summarizing. Don't just finish a book and forget it. After each chapter, explain the main idea in your own words. That's how information starts becoming real knowledge. You don't need all 7. Pick one, practice it consistently, and let time compound the results. Which one would you start? Comment it below.